guys, my name is Ben Cutts. I work for Suburban Chevrolet. I'm a senior leasing consultant here. I'm going to go through Android Auto on the new 2022 Equinox and give you an introduction on how that works. Okay guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to pair your phone on your new Equinox. Okay, so one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to go up on the screen here, you're going to hit the phone button and you're going to hit connect phone. First, I need you to go on your phone and turn on your Bluetooth. So you're going to turn on your Bluetooth. You'll see your Bluetooth pair list come up. Then you'll hit connect phone right here. And then what you're going to do is hit add phone, and then you're looking for my Chevrolet on the bottom of your list. It can take a second to show up, so that's normal. So just give it a moment to fall in here. This is not coming. Okay. So then you'll notice that it's going to ask you to pair on both devices. You're going to hit pair, you're going to hit OK on your phone, and then what you're going to want to do is hit continue, and we'll go over that in just a moment, but that'll start the Android Auto process. Okay, so as soon as you have it paired to your phone, what you're going to do is hit continue on the phone up here, or on the car up here, and then what I'm going to do is show you guys actually how to use the navigation feature on your phone, so it's a easier, safer way to use the navigation rather than looking down on a phone. So I'll show you how to use that. It's really simple, really easy. It mirrors your phone, so that's the whole idea behind it. So once you're all set up and everything's working, this is what the screen will look like. So all you do is you come up here, you hit search, and then enter the destination that you're looking for. So I have Cub Eden Prairie up here, so we'll just hit that. And then it's really simple. It'll pull it up, you hit continue, and off you go. Turn-by-turn directions right on your screen. One of the most beneficial things that you can add to these back screens is additional apps. One of those being voice commands for the phone. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Call Suburban Chevrolet.
Calling Suburban Chevrolet.
Make sure to check us out at suburbanchev.com. We have a wide selection of 2022 Equinoxes where you can do all these features. Also make sure to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, and I'll see you around at Suburban Chevrolet.